So today, students, we will talk about the effect of concentration on the molar conductivity and conductivity for strong and weak electrolytes. So what is the effect of concentration on the molar conductivity and conductivity for strong and weak electrolytes? First of all, we'll talk about the effect of concentration on the molar conductivity and conductivity for strong electrolytes. That is very easy topic, electrolytes. First of all, we'll understand, we have already discussed about it, that what is molar conductivity and conductivity, but फिर भी एक बार मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ what is conductivity. What is conductivity? That is the conducting power of 1 centimeter cube of the electrolyte or 1 centimeter cube of the solution, right? That is conductance of 1 centimeter cube of the solution, right? And what is molar conductivity? Molar conductivity is defined as the conductance of number of ions produced by 1 mole of the electrolyte. So what is conductivity? The conductance of 1 centimeter cube of the solution, and molar conductivity is conductance of number of ions produced by 1 mole of the electrolyte. So for both of these, we have to here show that with the increase in number of ions, the molar conductivity and conductivity always increases, because both of these depend upon the increase in the number of ions, right? If there is 1 centimeter cube of the solution and there is more number of ions, it means there will be more mobility of the ions. More mobility of the ions means more flow of the current, right? And here is also that is related to number of ions produced 1 mole of the electrolyte. So it means that is also depend upon the number of ions, right? So for both of these, the conductivity and molar conductivity will increase with the increase in the number of ions per unit volume, right? So if the number of ions per unit volume increases, the conductivity and molar conductivity increases. Okay? So first of all, we'll talk about the strong electrolytes. For strong electrolytes, we know very well, for strong electrolytes, for example, sodium chloride and potassium chloride, right? And other like HCl and something you can take there. For these strong electrolytes, we know very well they already dissociated completely. They already dissociated completely to the maximum level, right? So that's why we know very well for these electrolytes, the molar conductivity or the number of ions per unit volume increases at large level. So that's why if the number of ions per unit volume already has been increased at the large level, it means their molar conductivity and their conductivity will be maximum even at the normal temperature or even at the room temperature, right? So but फिर भी if we decrease the concentration or if we increase the dilution, with the increase in the dilution and decrease in the concentration of the strong electrolytes, with the increase in dilution means मतलब ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ बेटे dilute कर देना means कि solvent ਹੋਰ add कर देना, तो ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ solute ਦਾ amount ਹੈ ਜਾਂ electrolyte ਦਾ amount ਹੈ ਉਹ ਘਟਦਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। तो अगर इलैक्ट्रोलाइट ਦਾ अमाउंट ਘਟੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਪਾਉਣ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਂ ਸੋਲਵੈਂਟ ਪਾਉਣ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਡਿਲੂਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। तो with the increase in the dilution, now the dissociation will be increased here। वो तो already 100% dissociate हो जाते हैं या ज़्यादा dissociate हो जाते हैं। तो अगर आप पानी होर ऐड कर देंगे या aqueous state ऐड कर देंगे, तो their dissociation will be maximum। Is maximum. It means the number of ions per unit volume increases. So if number of ions per unit volume increases, it means the molar conductivity and conductivity increases. The molar conductivity and the conductivity increases with dilution even for the strong electrolytes, ठीक है। But dilution has no more effect on the molar conductivity and conductivity of strong electrolyte, because they already undergo a complete dissociation, right? But फिर भी if the concentration approaches to zero, if concentration approaches to zero and they are diluted with the maximum amount or at the infinite dilution, when concentration approaches to zero, there is infinite dilution, their molar conductivity will be maximum, right? So that is named as the molar conductivity for infinite dilution, or when concentration approaches to zero, their molar conductivity is maximum. That is denoted with this term, that is molar conductivity becomes maximum, right? So that is the effect of concentration for the strong electrolytes. Next we will talk about the effect of concentration on weak electrolytes. What about weak electrolytes? We know very well for weak electrolytes they do not undergo dissociation completely. So it means for weak electrolytes with the decrease in concentration or with the increase in dilution, when more solvent is added or when concentration of the electrolyte is less and more solvent is added, the number of ions per unit volume increases, right? So if the number of ions per unit volume increases, so because the dissociation increases or ionization increases, right? So that's why अपने कोले number of ions ਜਿਹੜੇ per unit volume increase ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੈ, तो अपनी molar conductivity ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ या फिर conductivity ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ, increase ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ, because number of ions increases. And dilution has more effect on the weak electrolytes, but on strong electrolyte it has little effect, ठीक है, because they already undergo complete dissociation. Weak electrolytes do not undergo the complete dissociation, so that's why their number of ions per unit volume actually depend upon the dilution. So if the concentration decreases and there is increase in dilution or increase in the solvent, then the number of ions per unit volume increases because dissociation increases. So hence the molar conductivity and conductivity increases for the weak electrolytes, right? So next we will talk about increase in concentration. What happen for the weak electrolytes if there is increase in concentration? For weak electrolyte, if there is increase in concentration, then the molar conductivity or conductivity decreases, because we know very well they already do not undergo dissociation, or they do not dissociate completely. So that's why the number of ions per unit volume decreases, and hence the molar conductivity and conductivity decreases because the number of ions per unit volume decreases, right? So that's why with the increase in concentration the molar conductivity and conductivity for the weak electrolytes decreases.